Hey guys, welcome in and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello, I'm sincerely Niko. In today's video, we're going to be trying out some bronzers for you guys. Mented Cosmetics just recently came out with some brand new bronzers and I'm here to showcase them and show them off on my complexion. So if you guys are interested in these bronzers that are released from Mented, then definitely keep on watching this video. But before we do so, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Join me here on YouTube. Be a part of the EXO squad where we get lit on this side. Now let's jump right on into this tutorial.
You used to call me on mine. You used to. Yeah.
Mented recently just came out with some bronzers. They're the Sunkissed bronzer collection. Living your life like it's golden. I feel a little bit of Jill Scott up in here. I mean, you know.
That's what I'm talking about. It was so black ass. It was black ass.
They're out now. If you guys are interested in picking up any of these bronzers, they're out now. The bronzers retails for $22 a piece. There are 4 bronzers, a light bronzer, medium bronzer, deep bronzer, and a rich bronzer. They're lightweight, jam-packed with vitamin A and E, highly pigmented, and they have protected antioxidants to be able to give you that everyday luminous glow. So I don't have any, I have on blush, but I don't have any bronzers or highlights, so I'm going to be doing that for you guys. But before we get into them, I want to go ahead and do a little bit of swatcheroo of these bronzers so you guys can see what they look like on my skin tone and you'll be able to make an educated guess of which one you need. So I'm actually going to do it in my hand so we can get full color pigment play off. I'm going to start off with the deep color bronzer, and that is the shade Out of Office. She is really deep and rich. Here's Out of Office. Very much pigmented. Very cool tone. I could really see my melanin queens wearing this. So I feel like this is going to definitely give them that sculpting moment, if you know what I mean. The next one up from that is the shade called Yacht Life. This is the one I'm actually going to be trying on camera for you guys, but I'm going to give you guys a quick little swatch. Here is Yacht Life. Very neutral. I can get away with that. I could definitely get away with that. The next one up from that is the shade called Vacay for my medium bronzy girls, and they're very like moussey, like in the pan. So you're going to get really creamy bronzer. That is Yacht Life. It looked like it disappeared into my palm. Let me go in for a second swatch. There's Yacht Life. Alright, and then the last one for my light complexion girls is the shade called Beach Bomb. There's what Beach Bomb looks like in the pan. Here's what Beach Bomb looks like swatched. Very yellow. Which is good for my lighter complexion girls because they don't really need to go too cool when it comes down to bronzers. They need something a little more golden. And Beach Bomb would definitely give you that golden moment. Alright, so here's all of the colors swatched out. Alright, so like I was saying prior to, I don't have on anything on the face but blush and cream contour, and I also set it with setting powder. So I'm just going to go in with my bronzer and we're going to bronze up the skin. I'm going to go in with my NARS brush. I love to use this for bronzer. And we're just going to bronze the skin up. Already, I look a little snatch. Ooh. And I'm just flicking the product in my bronze areas, or the areas I bronze. Hit this jaw a little bit. So here's what the bronzer looks like on. Here's no bronzer. Alright, so I'm going to kick this up just a little bit, a little notcheroo. And I'm going to take the shade Out of Office, and I'm going to take it on just a little bit. This is the Suva Beauty 180 brush. And I'm just going to kind of contour with this just to kind of sculpt the cheek so we can get a little bit of definition. Yes, ma'am. I'm looking like a snack. The snack that snatched back Niko. I'm gonna take some powder. This is from Lawless. It's the Seal the Deal Loose Setting Powder in the shade Golden. And I'm gonna take a little bit of this on my Sigma F35 brush. I'm just gonna kind of clean up just a little bit. And then let's go ahead and lock this in. I'm gonna use a little bit of the setting spray from Sephora Collection, the Beauty Amplified, and just kind of mist. And then quickly highlight the face just to finish it off. Alright, and this is the finish look with the bronzers on. Like I was saying prior to, they are very much lightweight. They feel very creamy and buttery. It blends pretty amazing on the skin. The only critique I have is that the deep bronzer, which is really beautiful of course, which is Yacht Life. Alright, so the only critique that I have is that the shade Yacht Life, and then of course the shade Out of Office, there is just a little bit of a gap there. I feel like they could have came out with one more shade in between these two that was just kind of a hybrid between the two, and that probably would have been like the perfect bronzer for me personally. Again, this is not my brand. I did not create these products. I'm just giving my personal thoughts on, you know, what I feel that could have been a great opportunity. But the bronzer showed up, the bronzer showed out, it's on the skin, it gives me that glow. I'm here for it. If you are here for it, then you guys can use my code to save 10% off of your purchase and get you guys a new bronzer with 10% off, of course. And that code is X0Niko. I do have a code with Mented. Again, this video is not sponsored, just by the way, but if you guys are interested in getting any of these bronzers from Mented, you guys can use my code X0Niko to save 10% off your purchase, which is free. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and hop off of here, get my life together with Christ, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye.
Yeah, I like me. That can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city.